Is your Adobe apps not working because of the Camera Raw Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. Ensure your Camera Raw library environment is stable by using the recommended tool linked below. This is the Camera Raw library, the Adobe Camera Raw core engine. It manages the unmanaged processing of raw sensor data from digital cameras. It facilitates the data link between original metadata and processed color image manifests within Photoshop and Bridge. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. This error usually occurs when Adobe is damaged or incompletely installed. Download and reinstall the latest official version of Adobe to replace required files such as Camera Raw Library DLL. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Camera Raw Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. A vital technical reminder: modifying Camera Raw Library DLL manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If registry organization or startup behavior is a concern, the maintenance resource below includes Camera Raw library references. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved Camera Raw library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.